you can learn anything, no matter how hard it seems, with practice. Because nobody has learned to carry a tray watching a lesson. No. Carrying plates, no. You gotta practice. And I want you to do it together with me so you can learn really well. And tomorrow when you hit the floor, you will feel like a new person. Alright? Everybody will be, whoa, what happened? In one night? Are you kidding me? That's exactly what's going to happen, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to elevate your service with the Waitress Academy, explore our membership plans for restaurants and individual students. We offer comprehensive training for front-of-the-house employees, both online and on-site. Whether you are a golf club or a restaurant chain, we work closely with you to design the perfect training program that fits your needs and accommodates your busy schedule. Check our offers today and start your journey to excellence.
Let's talk about carrying plates. Now, it's the same thing like the tray. You need to practice so you can get really good and comfortable with it. Basically, there are two ways to carry plates. One is overhand and the other one is underhand grips. Overhand grip is probably the more fancy stuff and more clear stuff, because in this case you have better balance on both plates and they don't touch each other and you have more flexibility, right? This thing not gonna fall whatsoever. Now, here is the situation. You put 3 fingers down and 2 up. Your pinky and your thumb goes on top. And then you put the second plate on your 2 fingers and laying down on your hand. This is the right way to carry 2 plates, right? And then if you have another plate, you can take it in your right hand. Now, in fine dining, you are not allowed to carry more than 3 plates when you're serving food, right? You're not allowed to carry no more than 3 plates. So this is the way you will be carrying plates. 2 on your left hand, 1 on your right hand. A lot of restaurants in the United States are not allowing you to carry any plates. Okay? You have to carry everything with the tray. This is not normal in Europe. In Europe, it's just the opposite. The restaurants do not utilize trays. They want you to carry the plates with your hands. Different system, different cultures, whatever, doesn't matter. We need to learn to carry plates because in any situation it might occur that we have to take the plates and carry them outside to the guest. This is the way you carry 3 plates, right? Now, when we are talking about working in a fast-paced restaurant, now even upscale restaurant, you might need to carry 4 plates, right? Then we are going to utilize the underhand grip. This is work like that. Your thumb is on the rim, your point finger, what do you call it, here on the bottom. Then you put your plate, the second plate, you put it on your finger. This finger is now on the rim, all right? And the other 2 fingers are supporting, 3 fingers are supporting the plate down. Now, this is the proper way because this way, this plate doesn't touch this plate, right? So, in many cases, you will be shown to carry this like that. This goes to the rim and this supports like that. Now, when you are working in a fine dining restaurant, we want everything to be really fancy. We want everything to be really by the rules. We don't want this plate to touch this plate and so on and so. So if you learn to do it the way I show you, all right, this plate, the rim goes on the finger and then the 3 fingers support this plate. Now, you can carry this like that, all right, and then you can put an extra plate on your hand and on the rim of this plate. There is no other way. If you're working in a fast-paced restaurant and you need to carry many plates, you got 4 people on the table, you gotta carry 4 plates. You put 3 on this hand and you go with this hand and you go to the table and you start serving. And in Europe, we do this because you go and you serve with your right hand. I will come in here. I cannot serve with my left hand even if I want to because I have all those plates laid out. This is the first plate I will serve. So when you are taking the plates from the kitchen and you bring it into the table and you want to serve the ladies again, first take the two meals for the gentleman, and then you put the 2 meals for the ladies on top here and in your right hand. So when you go to the table, you don't wonder what I'm supposed to do now. Okay, screw the etiquette. I will serve the gentleman first because I have in my right hand the gentleman plate. So you go to the table, you have this here, you serve the lady, you take the plate, you serve the other lady, and that's how this is done. Now, like I said, in the United States, we use trays with tray jacks or side stations, and you load up a big tray and you serve with a big tray. You take all the food for the one table, you take it on the tray, bring it with a tray jack to the table, place it on the table, maybe 1 meter away from the table or half meter away from the table, place it on the tray jack, and you start serving. Now you can serve with your left hand because all the food is on the tray, and you can use your left hand to go around and serve your guests in the United States. Like I said, in America, 80% of the restaurants will not allow you to take plates, maybe more than 80, from the kitchen to the table with your hands. You gotta have a tray. In Europe, 99% of the restaurant will not allow you to carry plates from the kitchen to the table with tray. They want you to carry with hands. We need to be able to carry both ways, so make sure you practice.